Guys, good morning. Good morning, guys. Maglaga tagkuan, guys, tanglad. Tanglad sa tanglad. Ay, nilaga natin to, guys. Inumin natin kasi meron tayong upo tsaka sipon. Maglag